Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make colored fettuccine pasta from scratch. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for the green pasta 100 grams spinach, 1 cup semolina and 1 egg. For the red pasta, we need 100 gram boiled and chopped beetroot, 1 cup semolina and 1 egg. For the yellow pasta, the recipe is in the description below. Now for the recipe, first for the green pasta, in a boiling water add spinach and blanch it for not more than 30 seconds. Strain the spinach and run it through cold water to stop the cooking. Transfer the spinach to a grinder and crack an egg into it. Grind the mixture together. Next, place the semolina in a bench and create a well in it. Transfer the spinach mixture to the well. Next, using a fork, whisk the mixture and simultaneously incorporate a small amount of dry semolina into it. Transfer only a small quantity at a time to avoid lumps in the dough. Once it's tough to whisk using a fork, use your hands to knead the dough. If the dough is still wet, add more dry semolina to it. Next, keep the dough between your palms in a crescent shape and then fold and knead with the help of your palms. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is soft. Cover the dough in a cling wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes for gluten to activate. Next, for the red pasta, transfer the boiled beetroot to a grinder and crack an egg into it. Grind the mixture together. Next, place the semolina on a bench and create a well in it. Transfer the beetroot mixture to the well. Next, using a fork, whisk the mixture and simultaneously incorporate a small amount of dry semolina into it. Repeat the process of kneading the dough as mentioned for green pasta. Now we have our 3 pasta dough ready. You can either use a pasta machine to make the pasta as mentioned in the link description below, or you can use a rolling pin. In this video, we'll use a rolling pin. Remove the dough from the cling wrap and apply some dry semolina to it. Next, press it using your hands, then roll with a rolling pin. Next, fold it to 1/3 as shown and then roll again. Fold it again and roll again. Apply some dry semolina to both sides and roll it until a thin pasta or pasta of required consistency is achieved. Next, fold the pasta and cut it using a knife. Open the pasta and apply some dry semolina to it so that they don't stick together. Your red pasta is ready. Follow the same procedure for green and yellow pasta. You can either use this instantly or store it in an airtight container. Keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Your colored pasta is ready.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.